thank you for visiting and welcome back to my channel. First off, I would like to thank NYX Switzerland for voting me in the top 20 NYX Switzerland Face Awards 2018. So I'm doing an unboxing today. Guys, when I first saw this box, I was absolutely shocked. It's massive, like massive. It's big. Okay, and it's pretty heavy in there too. So I received it yesterday and I did everything in my power to not go through it because I wanted to film for you guys my first expression of as to what's inside. So let's please, guys, you will not believe what's in here. It's a makeup case. Like, I'm so thankful for this because I had to actually leave all mine in Canada, where I'm originally from. So thank you so much for this. This is definitely going to be used. Oh, it's heavy too. Oh, wow. Okay, let's check inside. Wow, guys. Oh, this is so beautiful. There's so much stuff inside. I don't even know where to start. It is completely full. If you can check that out, you see that? So this is an eyeshadow base. It's skin tone. It will help out definitely with a lot of pigments and everything like that. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. So the Holographic Halos cream eyeliners, and they have 3 different colors. We have Cotton Candy, killing it, and Palisade Paradise, sorry if I'm Palisade Paradise, sorry if I'm spelling that, that's horrible, but beautiful colors. So we have like sorry, I don't even know if you can see that there. So it's a beautiful orange, and then you have a gorgeous purple here, and then this beautiful green. So that is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for that. And then we have brushes. So these are a whole bunch of brushes here. These are mainly eye brushes from what I can see here. I definitely needed a few of these. Wow, guys. Then they have their pigments here. Beautiful pigments. And then they also, glitters as well. So they have like the beautiful glitters, different versions of them. So we have a beautiful like reddish pink toned, a purple one, a green one, and of course like an aqua blue type one. I don't know if you guys can see that there. My lighting is horrible, so I do apologize for that. And then of course their beautiful glitters, which I absolutely love. Beautiful Wicked lashes. This is in the style Scandal, and this is Vixen. This is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. So beautiful. These ones look so gorgeous and long. And the beautiful Tuscan High Definition blush, and this is a Double Dare. And then we have Stay Matte But Not Flat powder foundations. So there's a bunch of these in here. Light beige, olive, soft sand, and then we have the natural, medium beige, and cocoa. Guys, these are so silky. I don't know if you've ever tried these or not. I definitely have one. I'd definitely be using one. They make your face look so silky smooth. And if you ever get a darker one, say for example, you can definitely use this as like a blush. A bronzer. Mineral enriched, talc free, oil free, water resistant, sweat resistant, and feels like silk on the skin. Try these out if you haven't yet. And then the color correcting concealer, of course, my fave, but I have one of the small pods. I think it actually just has like this pigment inside of there. One of my favorites, especially to cover up dark circles. Born to Glow highlighting palette. I love this. I actually tried this at the store the other day, guys. It honestly felt so soft. Photogenic HD finishing powder. And then this is a Holographic Halo finishing powder. Ooh, and this is in the color Magical. So this is gonna be neat. I haven't seen this one before, but definitely excited to try this one. SFX cream colors. So we got 3 different cream colors. These are face and body paints. I love these guys. They're so great. I usually have the white one. I ran out, but I gotta pick up one up. Thank you so much for providing me with an orange, purple, and brown one. Honey, do me up. We all know and love this product. Thank you guys so much. Bright Idea Illuminating Stick. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. More brushes. So we have these brushes here. So these are like face brushes. This one I think is their like the new foundation with their liquid foundations. We have all these like angle brushes, fan brushes. Thank you. You can never have enough brushes. Guys, they have the highlighting and contour palettes. So I've never used this one. Sorry, my lighting again is horrible. I've never actually used this one, but I'm so excited to try this. I honestly did not expect this box to be full, so thank you so much for filling it with all these goodies. I can't wait to try out everything. This is going to be so exciting. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go open the second box. There's an actual like a mini box within the box. There's two boxes. So one had that beautiful, beautiful makeup case with all that makeup inside. And now here's another box. So like tear it open here. A lot of stuff to kind of go through here, guys. From what I see, it's like absolutely full. So I'll show you that much. Like, wow, amazing. So we have some makeup remover pads, the makeup brush cleaner, a powder puff, a large one, precision blending sponges. You can never have enough. Okay, the dewy finish setting spray. Here's the matte one. Guys, there's so much stuff in here. I don't even know how I'm gonna get through. Let me just organize this all because I'm an organized freak. And then I will show you everything, okay? So all of these jumbo eye pencils, NYX lingerie eye tints. I'm in gold and morning sky. Got colored mascara, one in blue, one in purple, and one in mint. I've seen this used all over. I'm in love with this color, so I can't wait to try this one out. So thank you so much. And of course, purple and blue. Guys, we have so many of the cream lipsticks. They're so beautiful. They're so pretty. All these like beautiful colors. There's like a lighter purple or darker purple, a blue, an orange, creamy orange, a creamy pink, a highlighted pink, and then like a purpley pink. It's just so beautiful. All these colors are so, so gorgeous. Guys, I will be swatching these tomorrow. I think I will definitely write down the time as to when I'll be swatching them on my Instagram live. So look out for that below. But these are so pretty. So I don't know if they're so gorgeous. Of the Super Click matte lipsticks, and this one is in Chain Reaction. And this one is in the red. Of course, red's my favorite color, so I will definitely be using that more often than I should. I actually opened it to swatch it while I was taking these things out because as soon as I saw it, I totally fell in love. I'm gonna show you guys. So what you do is just click there and pops out, and so creamy. Like I've had it here, so I can't even like, I try to wipe it off and obviously like, don't look at that. So I'll swatch it right beside just to show you guys how creamy and smooth it goes on. Not only that, but it applies like so velvety. But guys, the pigmentation on it is phenomenal. Literally just one swipe, and then obviously my horrible swipe there, but one swipe just colored all of that. That's the soft matte metallic lip colors, which I'm so excited to use these both. They're so pretty beautiful. We have Seoul and Havana. So I'm excited to try those. Metallics. So these are the lip liner colors. I swear, like the combinations, they did such a great job kind of like coordinating because you know this is coming out soon, right? And then we have these beautiful faux white, they're inner eye brighteners. So this one is in baby powder, this one is in seashell, and this one is in vanilla. I don't know if you guys can kind of see where like these colors right there. And then we have the Be Gone Lip Color Remover, okay? Let me just see if I can, there we go. And then I have the beautiful pigment primer for glitter and stuff like that. Of course, the pigmentation one. I had the glitter primer as well. This one's like the pigment version. I don't know if you can kind of, let me just... So these are the beautiful, beautiful eyeliners that they have. I love NYX eyeliner, so this is great. And then not only do we get these ones, but then we also get the Vivid Brights eyeliner liquids in these gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful, I don't know if you eat beautiful colors here. So I'm excited to try these, guys. Remember, our next theme, or sorry, our theme for the top 20 is color explosion. So keep an eye out for that one. I'll be definitely posting it on my social media. So scroll down below and, you know, check us out. White liquid liner. I love this one. And then this Strictly Vinyl eyeliner, and this one is in extra because, you know, we all got to be a little bit extra. And then, of course, the Epic Ink liner. This one's a waterproof one. This one is in black. And then, of course, we have the eyebrow gels. So I have 3 of them here. We have blonde, brunette, and black. And then last but not least, of course, we have the Duo Chromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss. Guys, if you guys can see these colors, like, they're so pretty. So we have this like beautiful purple one, and then we have this like beautifully like, it's like an aqua color. So the purple one is a Gypsy Dreams, and then this one is Day Club. NYX, thank you so much for all these beautiful goodies. I'm so excited to try all of them out. NYX Switzerland, I know you guys worked really, really hard in picking the top 20. I know this is going to be definitely much harder for picking out the top 10. I wish you guys the best of luck. I would also like to say good luck to the top 20 NYX Switzerland winners. I wish you guys the very, very best. I can't wait to see all your creations that you can come up with the color explosion theme. So I'm really excited to see those. And hopefully we can definitely keep this going. I'll also be letting you know as to when I'll be doing some color swatches live on my Instagram. So keep a lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the time that you guys spend on this. Again, thank you, NYX, so much. I am eternally grateful for all this opportunity. So until we meet again, thank you so much. Mwah.